Hi, this is Jeremy from Planet Bike. One of the best ways to make mid-ride flat repairs quick and easy is by using CO2 cartridges. Let's take a look at our line of both threaded and non-threaded CO2 replacement cartridges. Planet Bike offers 12, 16, 20, and 25 gram threaded cartridges and 12 and 16 non-threaded cartridges. CO2 cartridges contain pure CO2 with no oils or contaminants. 100% recyclable steel cartridges, work with Planet Bike inflators as well as most inflators from other brands, and all 16 gram cartridges are compatible with the Airship 2.0. First, check your CO2 inflator to see if it accepts threaded or non-threaded cartridges. If using a threaded cartridge, check to make sure the inflation knob is tightened or closed before threading on the cartridge. Thread the cartridge onto the inflator head until it is hand tight. Open tire valve and screw inflator head onto the valve. Slowly release air into the tire until the desired pressure is reached. Before removing CO2 cartridge from the inflator head, release the remaining air from the cartridge. Once empty, please recycle the cartridge. For non-threaded cartridges, insert the cartridge into the inflator with the tapered side facing up. Screw the top of the inflator head onto the body until the cartridge is punctured. Slowly release air into the tire until the desired pressure is reached. Before removing the cartridge, release the remaining air from the cartridge and recycle the cartridge when empty. Before buying replacement cartridges, check your tire size and preferred PSI to determine which size CO2 cartridge is best for the type of bike and tire you are riding. Pro tip: cartridges get very frosty during CO2 discharge, so be sure to use a CO2 koozie insulator sleeve or wear hand protection while using CO2 cartridges. Planet Bike CO2 replacement cartridges are an important addition to your flat tire repair kit along with your favorite CO2 inflation head. Whether on a mountain, road, or gravel adventure, it'll make sure you stay on track in case of an unfortunate flat. Thanks for watching, and we hope you come ride with us.